What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to talk about the MSI's Gameverse product launching event at CES 2022. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So the name of the event was Gameverse because MSI launched many gaming and content creation laptops with meta-ready hardware that you can use for metaverse activities. Along with these new laptops, MSI also announced the phase change liquid metal pad technology that it is going to use in its flagship gaming laptops. So when the computer's heat reaches 58 degrees Celsius, the phase change liquid metal pad melts and it fills the space between the CPU and thermal block. This phase transition makes the heat transfer more efficient compared to the traditional thermal paste and more reliable than the liquid metal solutions itself. Using this new innovative cooling technology, the overall performance of the device increases up to 10%. Among the newly introduced devices, the phase change liquid metal pad technology will be used in the flagship Stealth and Raider series laptops. So first of all, let's talk about the flagship Stealth GS77 that is the winner of the latest CES 2022 Innovation Awards. It comes with latest 12th Gen Core i9 Intel processor along with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti GPU with a huge 17.3-inch 4K display with 120Hz refresh rate. The 240Hz and 360Hz refresh rate models are also available but with lower screen resolution. It comes with total 6 Dyna audio speakers and the device is high-res audio certified. It comes with 99.9 watt-hour battery, the biggest that you will ever find in any laptops. The touchpad area is 50% increased, the keycaps are bigger, and we got a per-key RGB SteelSeries keyboard on Stealth GS77. The design is changed and improved a lot as well. There are some ports provided on the back of the device and a new centralized hinge mechanism is introduced. MSI also launched the Stealth GS66 that is pretty much the same device as GS77 but with a smaller screen size, quad speaker setup and some minor changes. Then the next device was the Raider GE76 that is pretty much same like the Stealth GS77 in terms of hardware specs, but it comes with different design, lots of RGB lighting, and when it comes to performance it can deliver up to 220 watt of TGP with MSI's dynamic boost feature. It also comes with the phase change liquid metal pad and the device is meta ready as well. Then the next one was the Crosshair GL Series that consists of 3 different models: the Crosshair 15, Crosshair 17 and the limited edition Crosshair 15 Rainbow Six Attraction Edition developed in collaboration with Ubisoft and MSI. The Crosshair GL Series comes with 12th Gen Intel Core i9 processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti laptop GPUs. The Crosshair 15 Rainbow Six Extraction Edition comes in a brand new design featuring yellow, green and blue color palette. The device is designed for FPS gamers and it comes with a QHD 240Hz refresh rate display with up to 140 watt TGP. And all of these Crosshair GL Series devices are meta ready as well. MSI also announced their new content creation series laptops at the MSI Gameverse event in which it revealed the Creator Z17 that is also a CES Innovation Award winner. It comes with a CNC milled aluminum chassis with 16:10 aspect ratio display along with latest 12th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti GPU, and it is also the first 17-inch laptop in the world that supports a pen touch. MSI also updated their flagship model Creator Z16 into the Creator Z16P. It comes with MSI's latest vapor chamber cooler cooling solution that improves the performance up to 70% compared to the previous generation. The Creator Z17 and Z16P come with the MSI True Pixel technology with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and less than 2 Delta E color accuracy. And all of these new Creator series devices are also meta ready. MSI also introduced the Creator M16 that is a more portable solution while still providing the powerful performance. It comes with a QHD Plus True Pixel display that lays flat at 180 degrees and comes with an ultra-light slim aluminum chassis. Along with these new models, MSI also upgraded the previously launched Sword 17, Sword 15, Katana GF76 and 66 model to the latest 12th Gen Intel Core processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti GPU. And just like this, the newly upgraded Vector GP series and the Stealth 15M was introduced in the same launch event as well. Other than launching the new laptop models, MSI also introduced the latest MSI Center features like a new smart auto feature that will detect your usage and it will automatically adjust the system into different modes, providing the best user experience. So MSI launched lots of new laptops for gamers and content creators and upgraded many of the previously launched laptop models to the latest hardware, and many of them are the metaverse ready as well. The review of these newly launched MSI products will be uploaded on this channel very soon, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. So thanks for watching this one, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.